This gadget transforms your console into a full-sized, ergonomic powerhouse. Today, we're looking at a tool designed specifically for the next generation of play. The first thing you'll notice about this tool is the grip. Most handhelds expect you to claw onto the sides, which tires out your wrists. This device features a deep, curved handle that's about 8.5 centimeters high, very similar to a standard console controller. Because it fills your palms completely, the weight of the console is distributed evenly. Your thumbs land right where they should and your wrists stay straight. It turns a cramped experience into a natural one, so you can play through a long RPG or an intense shooter without needing a break to stretch your fingers. We've all dealt with stick drift, and it's frustrating. Most joysticks use physical parts that rub together and wear out over time. It solves this by using Hall effect technology. Instead of physical contact, it uses magnets to read your movements. No friction means no wear and tear, which means no drift ever. The sticks also have a wider 23-degree travel angle. This gives you way more room for fine-tuning your aim compared to the standard 18-degree tilt. The buttons on this gadget feel premium. The main action buttons use conductive rubber for a soft, cushioned press, while the D-pad and shoulder buttons use tactile switches for a satisfying click. If you're into racing games, the triggers are a game changer. They are linear and digital, meaning they sense exactly how far down you're pressing them, from 0 to 100%. This gives you total control over your acceleration. It doesn't just hold your console, it enhances it using below features. Audio, the design actually creates a small resonance chamber. It aims the sound toward you, boosting the bass by about 10%. Vibration, you can change the rumble intensity instantly with a button combo. Motion control, it features a native 9-axis gyro for lag-free aiming. Connectivity, it plugs directly into the USB-C port. This means zero lag and the ability to charge while you play. There is even a dedicated button for the new game chat system, so you can stay connected with friends without digging through menus. Whether you prefer the sleek translucent black or the nostalgic indigo purple, this tool is built to make your gaming sessions feel better and last longer. It's not just a grip, it's a total upgrade for how you play. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest gaming gear. Have you struggled with hand cramps during long sessions? Let me know in the comments. You can find the link to this gadget in the description below. Thanks for watching.